Hi everyone, these sums from the chapter Exponents and Powers, exercise 4.1, fifth problem. Simplify and give reasons. First one, 3 square minus 2 square divided by 1 by 5 whole square equal to. Use here BODMAS. First remove the brackets, means do the simplification inside the brackets. 3 square 9, 2 square 4. 9 minus 4 5 divided by 1 by 5. Use 5 divided by 1 by 5 means 5 numerator, 1 by 5 denominator. So write its reciprocal in numerator place, 5 by 1, 5 into 5. This 5 division denominator. So I written a reciprocal here, 5 by 1. Now 5 5s are 25 square. 25 square. Use 625. Now second problem. 5 square whole cube into 5 power of 4 divided by 5 power of 6. This term in the form of a power of m whole power of n equal to a power of mn, this formula. So 1 base and 2 exponents. Multiply these two. 2 3s are 6 into 5 power of 4 divided by 5 power of 6. Now bases are equal and they are in under multiplication. We can add the exponents directly. So a power of m into a power of n equal to a power of m plus n, this formula. So 5 power of 6 plus 4 10 divided by 5 power of 6. Now 6 4 10, 5 power of 10 divided by 5 power of 6. Again a power of m divided by a power of n equal to a power of m minus n. 10 minus 6 gives 4. So 5 power of 4 equal to 5 5 5 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625. Now sixth section. Find the value of n in each of the following. Sixth section, first problem. 2 upon 3 whole cube into 2 upon 3 whole power of 5 equal to 2 upon 3 whole power of n minus 2. All bases are 2 by 3 or 2 upon 3. These two are in the form of a power of m into a power of n is equal to a power of m plus n is equal to this one. m n, 3 plus 5 got 8. Now do 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. These both bases are same and they are in a equal. Already we know 2 by 3 are same and equal. Here condition, these two are in a equal equation, numerical equation. Okay. So we can do the equal for exponents. Here both bases are same and they equal bases same and they equal. So exponents also equal. n minus 2 is equal to 8. Take n as a subject. Send minus 2 is equal to that side. Minus 2 change plus 2. 8 plus 2 gives 10. The value of n is 10. Now sixth section, second problem. Minus 3 whole power of n plus 1 into minus 3 whole power of 5 equal to minus 3 whole power of minus 4. All bases are same. A power of m into a power of n equal to a power of m plus n. Formula. Laws of exponents, one of the law. Minus 3 whole power of n plus 1 plus 5 is equal to minus 3 whole power of minus 4. 5 plus 1 6, n plus 6. Here both bases are same and they are equal. So exponents also equal. N plus 6 is equal to minus 4. N is equal to plus 6 and is equal to that side minus 6, minus 6, minus 4, minus 10. The value of n is minus 10. Now third problem. 7 power of 2n plus 1 divided by 49 equal to 7 cube. Now find the prime factors of 49. 7 7s are 49. So besides of 49 we can write 7 square. 7 power of 2n plus 1 divided by besides of 49 7 square. Use 7 cube. Now these two bases are same, they are in a division. We can subtract the exponents. 7 power of 2n plus 1 minus 2. Using this formula, a power of m divided by a power of n is equal to a power of m minus n. 2n plus 1 minus 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to same as it is. Here both bases are same and they are equal. So exponents also equal. 2n minus 1 equal to 3. 2n equal to, send this minus 1 is equal to that side plus 1. 2n equal to 4. n equal to 4 by 2. n gives 2. So the value of n is 2. Now seventh problem. Find the value of x if 2 power of minus 3 equal to 1 by 2 power of x. We can use here left hand side or we can use the right hand side. Okay, we will get the answer. 2 power of minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 power of x. Then using this formula, a power of minus n is equal to 1 by a power of n. So 2 power of minus 3 we can write 1 by 2 cube is equal to 1 by 2x. Now do the cross multiplication, or we can say that 1 by 2 same. So exponents x equal to 3 also same. We can say in this way also. 2 power of x, 2 power of 3, 2 cube, do the cross multiplication. Then 2 power of x is equal to 2 cube. Here both bases are same and they are equal. So exponent also equal. The value of x is 3. Now eighth problem. Simplify 3 by 4 whole power of minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 whole power of minus 3 into 3 by 5 whole power of minus 2. Okay, this is 3. Now this one in the form of a power of minus n is equal to 1 by a power of n. So this is whole, assume as a 1 by a power of n, 1 by a cube into 1 by a power of n means square. Now again in the denominator place there is a fraction. So write this fraction reciprocal in numerator place. 3 by 4 change as 4 by 3 whole square divided by 5 by 4 whole cube into 5 by 3 whole square. Now again this is numerator and this is denominator. Again write the reciprocal of this fraction. 5 by 4 besides 4 by 5 into as it is. Now 4 2 times, 3 2 times, 4 3 times, 5 3 times, 5 2 times, 3 2 times. 2 times 5 get cancelled. Again you use this formula, a power of m into a power of n is equal to a power of m plus n. How many 4s are here? 1 2 3 4 5. So 4 power of 5. How many 3s? 1 2 3 4. 3 power of 4 and remaining this 5. Next, ninth problem. See, if m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2, find the value of, question, observe, if m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2, find the value of given some questions. First question, 9m square minus 10n cube. We had the values of this variable m and n. M value is 3 and n value is 2. Substitute m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2 in the given term. 9 3 square minus besides of m write 3, besides of n write 2. 9 3 3 is 9 minus 10 same as it is into 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to 4, 4 2s are 8, 9 9s are 81, 10 8s are 80, 81 minus 80 gives 1. Now ninth problem, second one, 2m square n square. Again substitute the value of m equal to 3, n equal to 2. 2 m besides 3, n besides 2. 2 into 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 2 into 9 into 4, 2 9s are 18, 18 4s are 72. Now third problem, 2m cube plus 3n square minus 5m square n. Again substitute the value of m 3 and the value of n 2. 2 besides of m 3, besides of n 2, besides of m 3, besides of n 2. Check symbols. Okay, plus plus minus minus. 2 3 3 times 3 3 9 9 3 are 27 plus 3 into 2 2 4 minus 5 3 3 are 9 into 2 27 2s are 54 3 4s are 12 minus 9 5 9s are 45 into 2 50 10 64 64 and 2 66 minus 45 2s are 90. These two numbers difference is minus 24. Now fourth problem. M power of n minus n power of m. Substitute the value of m equal to 3 and n equal to 2. 3 square minus 2 cube. 3 square 3 3s are 9 minus 2 cube 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 4. 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 gives 1. Now last problem. Simplify and give reasons. 4 by 7 whole power of minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole power of minus 7. Same as it is. This one in the form of a power of minus n is equal to 1 by a power of n. So assume this is whole number as a 1 by a power of n into 1 by a power of n. 4 by 7 had in denominator place. So write its reciprocal in numerator place. 4 by 7 changed as 7 by 4 because this fraction labeled this fraction had in denominator place. 4 by 7 changed as 7 by 4 whole power of 5 into 7 by 4 changed as 4 by 7 whole power of 7. 7 5 times, 4 5 times, 5 times, 5 times, 4 7 times, 7 7 times, 5 times, 5 times get cancelled, 4 times get cancelled, then remaining 2 times, 4 4s are 16, 7 7s are 49. I hope you understood all my explanation. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and share to your friends and family members.